everyone, welcome to Explorer Hop. In this lesson, we are asked to roll a dice and flip 2 coins. We have to find the probability of getting at least one head. So to do this, we need to find the total data set that involves flipping 2 coins and rolling a dice. The first thing we do is roll a dice, which gives us 6 options. We can either roll a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Now, when we flip the first coin, each of these data points has 2 options. It can either be a head or a tail. And that's for flip 1. Now, there are a total of 12 data points, and when we flip the coin again, each of the data points has 2 options of being a head or a tail. And this is flip 2. We can count the total number of data points in this column right here to be 24. Now we can go through and star which ones have at least one head, and that's these. After we do this, we can count the amount of stars to find the probability. So the number of stars is 18. That means the probability of 1 plus heads is 18 out of 24. This equals 0.75. So we can say the probability of getting at least one head is 0.75. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you in the next lesson.